how to customize Facebook shortcut bar settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're gonna discuss how we can customize Facebook shortcut bar settings, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now Facebook shortcut bar, by this you simply mean that if you open the Facebook application over here, you will be able to see a list of navigation menu at the top, which are basically called shortcut bars. Now, can you customize the shortcut bars? The answer is both yes and no at the same time, because what happens is that there isn't a direct option to customize the shortcut bar, but you can actually still customize the shortcut bar, because this is not a manual process, this is an automatic process. The more you use one of the shortcuts, right? So if you tap the three lines option, you'll be able to see all shortcuts here. The more you use one of the shortcuts, the more they're going to appear over here. So if you use Facebook Watch often, Facebook Watch is going to appear over here. If you just navigate to Marketplace often, Marketplace is going to appear over here. If you just play games often, then games is going to appear over there. It's just that Facebook automatically decides what kind of shortcut they should give you at the top of your navigation menu. So it's just that you can customize, but you can't customize at the same time. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.